Bangladesh has come a long way on its political journey. From the struggle of independence to the challenges of democracy, its dedicated has built a stronger sense of unity, progress, and national identity. Today, the new voices are emerging, young leaders, women, and voters shaping politics for a brighter tomorrow. Digital governance, rural development, and global partnerships are building the nation toward transparency and opportunity. Despite difference, one truth remains: the spirit of Bangladesh is forwarding moving. Every action, every debate, every vision for change is part of the same march toward a more inclusive and confident future.